Hey guys, today I would like to talk about my dance life. Uh, I have been dancing Stuck Lenny in 2012 at the Manly Uranian Dance School. At the time, my cousin sister attended the dance training with me. I didn't know exactly what is dance. There was one thing I only knew: the shuffle dance. You know, every day and shuffling, quang 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 quang. I At the time I only knew just like that. I learned my dance lesson regularly, and I have been dancing practice make anytime, anywhere, and I became a baguette dancer in there. Finally, the Union Dance School was faded, and I became a and I dance trainer, and I became a dance trainer and member of the New Version Dance Crew uh, in 2015. So I wanted to know about hip hop and street and dance culture. I have been searching about hip hop and street dance and dance culture on Google and YouTube. If I wanted to know about something, I have been searching on Google and YouTube. I resigned as a member of the New Version Dance Crew in 2018. At the time, I was hard working for a job. I was introduced a lot of gym and fitness center in Manly. Hello, I'm a dancer. I can dance. I can train other people can dance, something like that. But I didn't get a job. But I never stopped trying. I never stopped trying. Finally, one of the fitness center contacted me back on Facebook Messenger. Uh, they wanted to a Zumba dance trainer for a weight loss class. So uh, it's okay. I can. So I got a job. Uh, they were offered to me another one thing. They had a free room. If you want to use the dance studio, you can use it. Uh, we uh, we can make partnership. They talk about like that. I really so excited. I was here that. So, I thought, will you use your fitness name for the dance studio? Uh, no, never mind. You can use your by name for the dance studio. They talk about like that. Wow, uh, it was incredible for me. Uh, you know, I gave a name for the new studio. I named my studio name as the Studio 44. Uh, you know, I got my own job and my own studio with zero budget for my life in 2019. That's all. Thanks for watching for my video.